Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for all those who are new to my channel, definitely a big welcome and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And for my returners, thanks for sticking with me. I really appreciate you guys supporting me. This video is going to be a super defined wash and go routine using some of my favorite products. So if you are interested, keep watching. Now, I get a ton of questions asking me, how do your curls pop like that? What products do you use? What's your method? It's super defined. I can't achieve that with my hair. And the answer is yes, you definitely can. It's just all in the technique and learning a lot about your hair. So for me, I am a 3C, 4A. I tend not to pay attention to, labeling my hair, but paying more attention to the porosity of my hair. So I do have low porosity hair. Now in the center of my head, just going back to, I guess, typing, I am 3C in the middle, and then around my back and my hairline area, I am a 4A. So what I meant by, sorry it's loud outside, what I meant about really knowing your hair is knowing the type of texture that you have and what type of products, because that's really going to determine how your style is going to end up being. So for me, I tend to put less product in the center of my hair versus the all around the hairline and the back, because of the fact that my hair is kinkier towards the back and the front. I put more product because I know it needs a little bit more TLC versus the middle, which will just snap and do its thing just like that. So for this video, I had already washed my hair, I added my leave-in already, and I then applied my mousse and a styling cream and a styling gel. Now, before I did not use a styling cream. I tend to just use mousse and then go in with a gel. But because my hair is growing out more, I tend to notice that my same method that I used previously when my hair was lower than this is not working for how my hair is now. So I decided to switch on my routine. I tend to pay more attention to really clumping the curls with my fingers. Some people may use a sponge, some people may use a Demon brush. I decided to use my fingers. You can even use a tail comb. There's some parts that you'll see where I use the tail comb, but really taking the time to get each individual curl clumped and really defined really makes a big difference. I only do this type of method once a week. So anytime I do my wash days and I'm starting fresh out on a brand new, type of hair, I tend to give it more TLC than, just rushing through it, because if I rush through it, then my hair is not going to come out the way I want it, and then I have to continuously restyle all week. Like literally, I did this method for my last wash day, and I kid you not, I went like a whole week and maybe like 2-3 days without having to wash my hair again. So when I say really take the time to define your curls, clump your curls with your product, it really helps and makes a difference. So Well guys, you just seen my super defined wash and go routine. I'm super excited that my hair is growing, so now my curls are starting to pop even more than they were before. But this was my technique. If you are looking to see how you can have your curls super defined, definitely try this method out and definitely try out these products. I'll put all the product info in the description area so you guys can try it for yourselves. But other than that, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye guys!